आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So in this question, we have to find the equation of the hyperbola, refer to its principal axis of coordinates in the following cases. The first case is, as we can see, the A part is the distance between the foci is 16. So the distance between the foci is equal to 16 and eccentricity is root 2. Eccentricity is root 2. So we have to find the equation of the hyperbola with the help of these two given data. So first of all, we all know that the distance between the foci is 2AE. Distance between foci is equal to 2AE is equal to 16. So AE will be equal to 8. As we know, the E equal to root 2, so A root 2 will equal to 8 and A is equal to 8 by root 2. So the value of A square will be 64 by 2 will be equal to 32. Now we know that B square is equal to A square into E square minus 1. So B square will be equal to 32 multiply by root 2 का whole square minus 1. So 32 2 minus 1 will be equal to 32. So A square is equal to 32 and B square is also equal to 32. So the equation of hyperbola will be equal to equation of hyperbola will be equal to equation of hyperbola is equal to x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So the equation will be x square upon 32 minus y square divided by 32 is equal to 1. So x square minus y square is equal to 32. This will be our equation for this question. Now we will move to our second part. In second part, it is given that the conjugate axis is 5 and the distance between foci is 3. So conjugate axis, the B part, conjugate axis is equal to 5 and distance between foci is 13. Foci is 13. So we know that the length of conjugate axis is 2b. Length of conjugate axis is equal to 2b is equal to 5. So b is equal to 5 divided by 2. As we know, b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. So AE is equal to 13. So AE will be equal to 13 by 2. b square. So a square e square will be equal to 169 by 4 and b square will be equal to 25 by 4. So we will put the values in the formula b square equal to a square e square minus a square. So a square will be a square e square minus b square. So a square e square is 169 by 4 minus 25 by 4, which will be equal to 144 by 4. That is a square is equal to 36. That is a is equal to 6. So the equation will be x square by 36 minus y square by 25 into 4. Sorry, this is 25. 25 into 4 is equal to 1. So 25 x square minus 144 y square divided by 900 is equal to 1. So the equation of hyperbola will be 25x square minus 144y square will be equal to 900. So now we will move to our third part, that is the conjugate axis is 7 and passes through the point 3 comma minus 2. So the third part, the C part, conjugate axis is 7 and it passes through 3 comma minus 2. Yes. So conjugate axis is 7, so 2b will be equal to 7 and b is equal to 7 by 2. Therefore b square will be equal to 49 by 4. As the hyperbola passes through the point 3 comma minus 2, so it will satisfy the equation, that is x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. Putting the values x square, x and y will be 3 square, that is 9, divided by a square that we have to find, minus y is minus 2, that will be 4, divided by 49 into 4, that is equal to 1. So 9 by a square minus 16 by 49 will be equal to 1. So 9 by a square will be equal to 1 plus 16 by 49. So 49 plus 16 will be 65 by 49 and a square will be equal to 49 divided by 65 into 9. That is a square will be equal to 441 divided by 65. So after this, the equation of the hyperbola, therefore equation of hyperbola will be x square divided by 441 divided by 65 minus y square divided by 49 divided by 4 will be equal to 1. By further solving this, we will get 65x square divided by 441 minus 4y square divided by 49 will be equal to 1. By taking LCM, we will get 65x square minus 36y square will be equal to 441 equal to 1. So the equation will be 65x square minus 36y square will be equal to 441. So the final equation will be this. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।